Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at the best free courses to making online. Now look, this doesn't matter where you are in the world. It doesn't matter about your age, your experience or even your skill set. All of the resources I'm going to be sharing with you today, they're 100% for free. They're all courses which are run by professionals, and when I say professionals, I think you're going to be very interested in some of these free courses because they're not hard, they're not difficult, and in lots of these cases you actually get certificates at the end of this. Now we're going to be covering a number of different websites today, so please watch this video till the end because I'm going to try and make sure there's something for everyone inside of this video, okay? So the first one we're going to look at is this one over here. Now this is called Skillshop with Google. Now on here, look, you can see develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts, and you can learn at your own pace, and you even get Google product certified. Pretty awesome. So if we come down here, look, we have got all of these different courses inside of here. So they will teach you how to run Google Ads. They will teach you how to do Google Ad Manager and many, many more. There's also Facebook actually do something similar. So Facebook's version of this is called facebook.com. Well, it's here, Facebook Blueprint. Now inside of here, and again, these are all free. And again, look, Facebook certification. Set yourself apart in a digital marketing space. So basically, as you can see here, these are all free. Come down here, it shows you how to make money on Facebook, Facebook ads and business goals, quick guide to Facebook pages, and lots more. And we can come down here, we've got Facebook advertising, and there's so many free resources inside of these two websites here. So let me share with you an actual example of this because if you was to go through one of these blueprints, whether it is running Facebook ads or even if it was running Google ads, you could essentially sell your services to people who are looking for these ads. And a really simple explanation of this is over on this website here called Fiverr. I've just typed in Facebook ads. If I scroll down here, look, I will do your Facebook advertising ads campaign manager starting at £15. Starting at. If I go in here, and in a second this is going to open up, look, this is a bronze package. Let's look at the premium. Look, £53. So I'm in the UK pricing, but that's about, at today's rate, about $65 to $70. Now, bearing in mind, if you was to go through this over here from Facebook, you actually get, come down here, you get certifications from Facebook. So do you think people would be interested in working with you if you've been, approved and certified by Facebook? Absolutely. Or even indeed, as we've seen over here, Google certified. Of course they would do. And this platform over here, this Fiverr platform here, this is just one website that you can use. You can find people on Facebook. You can, funnily enough, you can find them in a number of different ways, and they teach you how to do all of that inside of these free courses. So that is Skillshop with Google and also Facebook Blueprints over here. Oh, sorry, yeah, Facebook Blueprint. That's two different websites. You can go ahead. Google, by the way, they also have another one, which is this one over here, and it is called Google Digital Garage. On here, there's 156 courses, and this will go through, there's so much stuff inside of here, but again, it is all free. So you can go through and learn these. Another resource for you is this one over here. This is completely different to the first two. So in the first two, we've looked at running ads over on Google and Facebook. This one over here is affiliate marketing. Now, let me just click on accept all and let me get rid of this. So if I scroll this down here, maybe you've heard about affiliate marketing, maybe you've tried it in the past and failed, or maybe you just have some interest in this. So this course here is absolutely free, and it's a 100-day course. So look, this isn't a fly-by-night course or anything like that. This is a full proper which will show you how to do affiliate marketing from start to finish. And if I scroll down here, look, I'm not going to go over everything inside of this, but ultimately inside of here you can learn from all of the people here that you can see on screen. These are people who have earned 6 and 7 figures with affiliate marketing, and they'll show you how to do all of it completely for free. If I scroll down here, It tells you about this, what is included, what's not included. Look, it's all free. Confirmed on the page here. These are the people who are going to be teaching you inside of here for free. There's so many on here. Look, we've got Rachel Penderson over here. We've got Steve J. Larson. We've got Peng. We've got Jim Edwards. We have got, well, there's lots and lots of different people in here. And they all do affiliate marketing in different ways. So inside of here, you can learn from all of these people who are making, you know, ridiculous amounts of money with affiliate marketing. And they'll teach you how to do all of this completely for free. So you can go ahead and check this out. I'll drop a link to this down below for you. Let me know what you think about this. But if you are serious about, you know, making money online as a side hustle or even turn it into a full-time income, this affiliate bootcamp here, it's awesome and it will walk you through all of this. Now, in terms of this over here, it is 100 days. So, you know, you do need to be committed to this and you do need to put in the time and the effort. I also have my own affiliate marketing course, which is this one. Yeah, this one over here. And again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. This is, again, it's 100% free. This is everything I do in my online business to make money with affiliate marketing. I've got a link to my Facebook group in here. We go over why affiliate marketing, selecting your niche, finding a product to promote. There's a list of affiliate products in here. We've then got the framework and also getting traffic. So this is, you know, I'm not saying it is the best course, but it's free and it's what I'm doing in my online business with affiliate marketing. Again, it's pretty straightforward once you break it all down. The other resource I have for you is this one over here, which is YouTube. Now, many people get put off YouTube when I say, you know, you can earn money with this, but you absolutely can do, and you can do this on camera, you can do this off camera, you don't even have to talk. This free YouTube course here, it walks you through the whole process, and I've done it in literally, I think it's five or 6 days, and we literally start on day 1. So how to make money on YouTube. Then we're on to day 2. You like doing keyword research for your videos, how to make a YouTube video, different options for you. Moving on to creating thumbnails. We've got the upload process in here. I've also included recently the fast track to 1,000 subscribers. So how to grow your channel quickly. You can see in here we've got the journey, long tail keywords, organic growth, and lots more. There's uploading your videos in here. So we'll go over video properties, tags, lots more stuff. And again, it's absolutely free. So you can go ahead and check that out. Even if you have no desire to be on camera, YouTube is an awesome platform to make money online. So we've covered YouTube. We've covered affiliate marketing over here. We've also covered Facebook ads. We have also covered the Skillshop with Google, and we've also covered the digital garage. The final one I'll share with you is this one over here. It's over on Get Response. This here, this is an autoresponder. Inside of here, they have lots of resources for you. So if I come down here, look, getting started with email marketing, get more leads with Google ads, website building, email lists, and lots more. And you can come down and have a look at any of these. But again, they're absolutely free. And where's it gone? Look, join the online marketing certificate program. So again, you can get certified with this platform over here. So look, that's today's video. Those are the best, in my opinion, well, it's got my courses in, but some of the best online courses which are absolutely free, which can help you to make money online. We have got affiliate marketing, we have got YouTube, we have got Facebook ads, Google ads, and lots more. So look, if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. But all this will take, as I always say on this channel, is it will just take some time, effort, and consistency, because making money online is 100% possible. Even if you're not interested in the methods we've looked at today, go over to my blog and check out some of the different articles on there, because I've been blogging for a number of years, and you know, I share, as you can see, going back to 2017, of different ways of making money online and from home, because it is 100% possible. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.